Here we have a rare moment. Jim are working hard.
Mate, don't need work this hard to fucking get paid.
Stick that fucking hole, kid. You ain't getting no dinner. An old Richard Gere, another one of his great ideas. Lovely marigolds.
They're not marigolds.
I know what they look like.
They're leather, alright. Look at you fucking...
Crocodile Bombay. So this is where we're staying tonight, people. Wild camping, this is what we do. Clear the area. We fucking set up house. Getting through there a bit. I'll take over in a sec. I'll take over.
Huh?
I'll take over in a minute. You ain't been doing it as long as I was. You ain't? I was timing you.
But I've got fucking more out than you.
Oh, you know what that means, innit?
Yeah.
You're good at what you're doing, kid.
Fucking right,
And I'm
mate.
good at what I'm doing.
More fucking productive. You stick there with a fucking spliff and a camera.
You know, one of them ones, mate. We don't go viral if I don't film.
Ah.
I've been given orders by the fucking bush trucker there, the head bush trucker. What do they call it in Scouts? Arcala. Been given orders by Arcala. Look at him, he's deep in shrubbery, looking for his next fucking project, isn't he?
You know what I mean? He's just fucking starting projects and fucking walks off.
Nah, he's not, mate. He's what's the word? Delegating. He's delegating to his work.
I'm the manager around here, you get me? I have a managerial position, mate. I'm used to being delegated to. You know what I mean,
I'm a pilot.
Royston, you know what I mean, mate. Even my gaffer can't tell me what to do.
You see now we've built the Dakota Firepit.
Let's have another one here.
Got a straight tunnel. Goes through. You can even see through there. Now we're just building this little wind blocker kind of wall. Get that secured, kid.
You ain't gonna go all the way, so might as well got another one there.
You know what? Yo, so we've just fucking we've just completed the windbreak, you get me, and the Dakota fire hole.
Look at this guy. Fucking building what? He thinks he's in fucking the Gulf. He's only fucking rigged up an alarm, innit? Don't know what he thinks is fucking coming.
If anyone trips this motherfucking wire, it's their ass. We got flares and everything, motherfucker. We go hear them coming from a mile away. Yo, cast me for Predator 5, bitch.
Get to the chopper!
Come on, lad, get your drink. Get your cups up. Cups up for RMGR.
Yeah.
You already know.
Let's get Jimmy in here.
Dark spirit. Saying that I've got no one out here to fucking...
You got no one out here to mull at.
They're trees, you know that, don't you? Alright. They might give you a stiff stare later on. Don't kick off. Fuck you know. We got some cooking to show you like later on, mate, I'm telling you. We have to make a chopping board in a minute. And I fucking will make a chopping board, I'm telling you.
Cheers.
Lads, Roman go rural, yeah. Big.
Hey.
Big.
Enjoy, people. man, just cover it. I was thinking about having it open, so then I can get out my hammock and
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
yeah, I mean, shield it from one side. Yeah, no, just gonna create a wind fucking trap. Yeah, but because I ain't got a fucking square tar, it's just a little bit of a fucking doors, mate.
What, mate?
I'm alright, mate. Fucking out in the wall, bro. Fucking where I need to be.
Where you fucking need to be, lad. You're a wild one, you are. You're a fucking wild one, kid.
Especially with a fucking cup of brandy. I am a wild one.
What's going on, Peggy?
Right here, like this at the back here. Fucking hell, that's soft, isn't it? Don't take them off.
Will do, Captain. Winning on. What you say?
Yeah, jiggy, mate.
Home.
Huh?
Lovely stuff, yeah. Feel him?
Jiggy and the
Lie
jiggy.
down, go on.
Jiggy, not with my boots on. Not with my boots on. I will, mate, I'm sitting, mate, if I could fucking sit in it like this weight, all in one spot, when I'm spread out, it'd be no problem.
I'm impressed, bro.
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
I tell you what though, good shout on the hammock call, fam. Proper things, bro. This could well be
Yeah, the hammock's
the
hard.
way to go, bro.
I'm
Well,
telling
definitely
ya.
is in woodlands camping. Pass us them sticks, B.
Bro, you know what it was? I had my fucking Bluetooth speakers open at the same time. Now I'm just saying, yeah, man, no danger, bro. Have a good one, you and the boys. Make sure you hail up being in Omen for me as well. I'm just saying, I'm with you like in the summer when they were Omen planning, so can't wait to get myself out in the room with you boys. So, yeah, man, have a good one, bro. And when you touch back down, I'll keep you posted for the next game as well. But yeah, nice one, G. Bless.
I love Faz, you know. Love Faz, man. Everyone hailed you up, bro. Yeah, man. Bless you. We'll come check you when we get back.
Don't know, Fazza.
Respect, Faz.
Bless up, G. This is the camp for the night. Get me. We're just getting everything situated. And we're gonna get the fire cracking after the hammocks are up and get some food cooking. Oh, but. So we've set up the old fucking camp, haven't we? Good to go. Everyone's got their own accommodation. This is you know,
Nowhere to lie though. It weren't easy.
Casa, Richard Gear.
We're after it, mate.
Yeah, I know what. You know your stuff, lad.
Well,
We've got to
I'll be
give it
honest
to
with
you.
I knew it.
They're a given. They're a given, bro. I would have
sick,
bought some yesterday for fucking that shop would have had some.
Tour of the camp. Setting up our little kitchen area here with all our stuff. See what I mean? Little fire pit ready to go. Rotisserie ready. Got the windbreak built. Yeah.
Not me. He was saying it. He said you don't.
Don't. No good.
They just look like death.
It just, nah, you know what it is? My teeth are definitely not in the right fucking state of mind for fucking.
Mate, if I had one of them now, yeah, I swear to God, I'd be jogging around the woods, bro. Yo, that is massive. You hear that? I heard that from a mile away. Fuck off, mate. You're lost. You need to go home, mate. Past your bedtime, kid.
Quick meal. Some stewed tomatoes and chickpeas and some other shit out of the ration pack. You know what? Tastes alright. Beggars can't be choosers. You got our Jimmy cooking up a fucking storm, ain't you, kid? What are you cooking there, kid?
Bit of biryani, you know.
Aww.
Well, I got it from fucking Dewan before I come here. Yeah, good old Dewan.
Oh, look at this one. Fucking Gordon Ramsay. Your fucking shallots there.
Gonna shallots, mate, and then I'm gonna have some skewered lamb.
Oh, sounds good, kid.
Oh, she's a bubbly. She's a fucking boiling here.
fella.
He was on it a minute ago.
He's just had a piece.
He's shy of the camera. He's camera shy.
Fucking full up. I've only bought
Throw
a
it
bit of
behind him.
fucking,
Throw it like behind him. Alright.
Captain's log 503. Lost in the woods. Sipping on grandmother's old cough medicine. Yeah. So today, we've had an eventful day.
How far did we trek? Which must have trekked a good 3 hours, 3.5 hours.
Yeah. We started walking from the car about 6:45. We got to the path into the place, into the forest about 7, and then we got here about 10:30, 10:45. So we came down a fucking
So we've had a good old trek as well.
Yeah, man. Waiting for fucking the sun going down. Start a fire.
I'm sleeping Chris tonight, I'll tell you the truth. I will sleep the whole night through like this.
Oh, is it nice here, Bill?
Oh, it's fucking pucker, mate. Fucking welcome to the fucking Bandy's residence. Home of the brave. Yeah, no, that's nice. I can do that. Trust me.
Oh, fucking, it's right on point.
This is the kitchen, by the way, people. We've got the tables and the cutlery and the pans and the stoves.
No,
And then we've got the barbecue over there ready to rock and roll later.
And then I think when I carry that.
Fucking bells, mate. No fucking glamorous round here, mate. Straight shit whiskey, mate. But you know what it will do. 4. So, for little pans, bit of that, bit of steak, and into breakfast, mate. There he is. Hello. Mate, he just landed right by you, but fucked off with something.
Feels like you made it in. Shit.
Right, we'll let them boil up one more time and lads need to get your cups ready.